November 30th marked 5 years since a tornado ripped through Jackson County, killing 3 people and destroying 3 churches there.
So Rosalie Baptist Church has been rebuilt, just like the community of Rosalie itself, despite the loss. News 19's Archie Snowden spoke with the pastor tonight on how the church is doing 5 years later.
As the threat of another tornado approached the area today, Pastor Roger Little of Rosalie Baptist Church could only remember the devastating tornado of 5 years ago.
You know, as I drove up this morning through the rain and stuff, and like I said, in 5 years, you sort of have that thought in the back of your mind.
November 30th, 2016 was a long time ago, but the EF3 tornado that rocked this small, close-knit community still lingers. 3 people lost their lives. Businesses were damaged, including 3 churches in the area. The roof of the sanctuary at the Rosalie Baptist Church looked destroyed beyond repair.
We started making preparations the next morning. We had several disaster relief team, another organization through our association here, was here to help start getting stuff under the dry. And then we found out about Constructors for Christ.
While Constructors for Christ worked on the damage, Pastor Little held services at a nearby meeting hall.
Keep it moving. We didn't want to, all of God's people coming together, the community needed to be together. And that's been the goal of our whole church congregation, was we got to keep moving forward. Even though it's devastating, we were wringing our hands on what do we do next, and God was letting us know He had this.
The pastor tells us that through an organization, the Constructors for Christ, it took 51 churches from 9 different states to help put the church back together.
Not only the church in a community, small communities come together, and we work through these by everybody coming together.
In Jackson County, Archie Snowden, News 19.
1 year after the tornado, in 2017, Pastor Little and Rosalie Baptist Church held a memorial service for the victims and their families to remember those whose lives were lost, a day that the community will never forget.